Welcome to the Wyoming RC Way. Got another review for you. These are cut to length drive shafts for the SCX24 platform. They gave you both screws for the set screws for the drive shafts. Got two baggies, two identical pieces. They are keyed. They do have the D hole. Pretty stiff. The rod, of course, is made of metal. It does have plastic, the plastic U-joints though. Those are plastic. The pin is metal. Both pins are metal. Of course, this is the exact same thing. That's keyed also. You can see keyed. Let's see. What's the max length that this can be if it's all the way in there? And once you get in there, there's a little bit of friction. You might want to put a little bit of grease or oil in there just to make it slide a little easier. But anyway, okay, zero it out. Okay. Remember right, we measure from here to here. Looks like a oof. Looks like 112.5 millimeters. And the overall length. And remember, this is completely compressed. So there's no $127. And due to the weight of stuff, so it's kind of cool. It does have markings on it. See that for it. And due to the thickness of this, I would say you'd probably want a pair of lineman cutters. If not, using a rotary tool to cut it with a metal blade. Because I don't think the hobby type ones are going to cut through that. I think it's too stiff. I already have other drive shafts on my other ones, so I'm not going to be cutting it and put it on this one. Probably put on an upcoming build that I'm maybe thinking about doing. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, however you run it the Wyoming Cowboy way. Safe, fun, and built right.